Well, hello there, Internet. Sam from Neguac Computer here. Let's get ready for a late night repair. Another broken HDMI jack on, this time, an Xbox Series S. Now, faults like these are pretty common. People pull and tug on cables all the time. I call that job security. And first off, there are no guarantees here. Now, I don't know if it's just the HDMI jack, but I know one thing, this HDMI jack is busted, so let's have a go at it. Now, I've been doing these types of repairs on desktops, laptops, consoles, and other random gizmos for years now, so I've got a pretty good idea of what's going on. Now, before we get carried away, I don't do these types of repairs on phones or iPads. Sorry, I don't touch those. But if you got a broken gadget like this one, well, I'm not saying I can fix it, but I can sure give it a shot. Now, when it comes to desktops and laptops, it's often more software than hardware anyways, and I know about 16 different programming languages, on top of offering a bilingual service. So there's a big chance I can fix one of those. Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ring the bell if I don't magically pop up at the door. Message me on Facebook. Fire me an email. I'll be there. So follow my Facebook page. Give me a like. Visit my website. God, I love my job. Peace and love, my friends. Signing out.